Winters are coming to an end, but it's never too late to relish a mouth-watering carrot delight. And today's recipe is a quick and easy barfi. Hi guys, this is Ruchi Bharani. Welcome to Rajshri Food, and let's begin with the recipe for Gajar Chenna Barfi. So I'm going to start with heating some ghee. I have 1.5 tablespoon ghee here. Turn on the flame. Once the ghee is nice and hot, into that I'm going to add in 500 grams of grated carrot. Saute the carrots in ghee and cook up to 70%. The carrots have been cooking for the last 5 minutes and the moisture from the carrots have also dried out. And now into this I'm going to add in half a liter of full fat milk. Give this a good stir. Let this boil till the milk completely dries out and the carrots are completely cooked. And now into this I'm going to add in 300 grams of condensed milk. Next into this I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of rose syrup or rose sharbat, which is easily available in the market. This will give a nice hint of rose flavor to this barfi. And now goes in 200 grams of grated paneer. Give this a good mix. And now I'm going to cook this again till this whole mixture dries out. If you want a slight coconut flavor, you can add 100 grams of desiccated coconut in this mixture and make sure you increase the condensed milk to 400 grams. This mixture has dried out completely, and at the end I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix it well. This mixture has reached the perfect consistency, and at this point turn off the flame. Since I'm making a barfi, I need to cut neat cubes of this mixture. Now what happens is that because of the carrot strands, sometimes we don't get neat pieces. So for that, I'm going to give this mixture a slight grind. Not too much. So now I have here a uniform granulated mixture. Let's get it out to set it in a tray. Flatten it evenly in the tray. And now to garnish this. So I have some silver foil or silver work that we call. It's optional. If you have it handy, you can use it. Garnish with some almond flakes, pistachio flakes. Before you let it set, we need to make the markings of the pieces. So first I'm just going to slightly press the nuts down so that they stick properly. And now let's make the markings. Let this set at least for a good 2 to 3 hours and then remove it from the tray and serve. So do give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.